we're gonna continue the previous lesson, okay?
Okay.
But firstly, let's revise our rules. The rule of the length of an arc, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Ahmed, if I have a circle here, okay,
Yes.
and what is the name of this angle?
What?
What is the name of this angle? Can you see this angle?
Yes.
What is its name?
A measure.
No, it's called central angle.
Center.
Okay, because it's from the center. Yes, the central angle is an angle. Its vertex is the center, and its two sides are two radii. Okay?
Okay.
Again, one more time. One more time, listen to me. The central angle is an angle. Its vertex is the center, and its two sides are two radii. By the way, Ahmed, we have another type of
Sides are equal.
what?
The two sides are equal.
The two sides are two radii.
Yes.
Radius?
Are they equal?
Sure. The two sides are radii, and all radii in the circle are equal.
Yes.
Okay. So Ahmed, we have another type of angles, but it's not in our lesson, but let me show you this type. It's important too, Ahmed.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see this angle?
Yes.
Okay. This one. Do you know what is the name of this angle, Ahmed? This one.
What?
Can you know what this angle mean, or what is the name of this angle?
No.
Okay, this angle is called inscribed angle. It's called what? Inscribed angle.
Inscribed angle.
Yes. The inscribed angle is an angle. Its two sides are two chords. I told you yesterday about chords.
Yes.
So we have two types of angles in any circle: central or inscribed. So in the central angle, if Ahmed, if this angle is 60, the arc
will be 60.
Great. But here in inscribed, if this angle is 60, if it's 60, the arc gonna be the arc gonna be 120. Double
60
Ahmed.
multiplied 2.
Yes, exactly. Okay,
Okay.
great. So let's revise the rule of the length of an arc. Can you remember if I need to find the length of arc AB? How can I
Yes.
find it? Okay, tell me.
The measure of the
Okay,
arc
great.
over 360.
Of arc AB over 360.
360
Yes,
multiply the circumference.
great. Multiply C or multiply the circumference. Great. So I need you, Ahmed, to open your book, please.
Okay, page what?
I'll tell you. Page 654.
Okay. I opened the book.
Okay. Go to number 24, Ahmed.
24. Okay,
Yes.
we solved it.
No, we didn't. 24. Find the circumference of each circle. Leave your answer in terms of pi. In this one, Ahmed, he asked us to find the circumference using pi. You know the circumference equal to pi r or by d.
Yes.
So
by d.
here in the first one, the circumference gonna be 20 pi. Yes? By
Yes.
D, Ahmed, or 2 by R.
Yes. 20 by
Okay, and here gonna be 25?
6 by
Great. 6 by. And here
8.4 by
8.4 by. Okay, and here
14 by.
great. That's good. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to number 28. Read number 28, Ahmed. Loudly.
The camera dolly track in problem 3 can be expanded so that the diameter of the outer circle is 70 feet. How much farther will a wheel on the outer rail travel during one turn around the track than a wheel on the inner rail?
Okay. I need you to go to your book. He's talking about a problem here. In this one. Can you see this problem, Ahmed?
Yes.
In this problem, Ahmed, we have a camera dolly. Can you see this, Ahmed? The camera dolly here? The two people.
Yes.
Okay. So I have two circles here. And these two circles have the same center. Okay, Ahmed?
Where is this? Where the? Okay. Okay.
Okay, the same center. This one, the inner track and the outer one. Great. Ahmed, if you have two circles have the same center, so they're called concentric. They're called what, Ahmed?
Concentric.
Yes, again, concentric circles. Concentric circles are two circles have the same center. Yes. So exactly like this shape. Can you wait a minute? Here, like this one, and this one. Okay, these two circles are called concentric, and they have the same center. Okay, Ahmed?
Yes.
Okay, let's go back to the problem. The question here, Ahmed, the wide of the track is 2 feet. Can you see my cursor here? 2 feet. The distance between the inner circle and the outer is 2 feet. Okay?
Oh.
So one wheel on the inner one and the other wheels on the outer one. Okay? Are you with me, Ahmed? Ahmed? Ahmed?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. So Ahmed, I told you that the dolly camera here, can you see the wheels on the inner circle?
Yes. One is in the inner, one is in, and the other in the outer.
Great. So the question here, Ahmed, listen carefully. The circle, the inner circle, its radius is 8 feet. Okay? The question here, how much farther does a wheel on an outer rail travel than a wheel in the inner rail? How can we solve this problem, Ahmed?
2 feet.
No, you didn't get the idea. He's asking us about the distance, the wheel in the outer circle will cover, okay, more than the inner one.
Okay, first we will see the circumference of the outer circle.
Yes.
And the circumference of the inner circle.
Great. Then?
Yes.
Then?
نقارن ما بينهم.
Subtract.
Subtract, yes. See the difference.
Exactly. And the radius of the inner one is 8. Okay. So the circumference is gonna be 16 by. Okay.
Yes.
What about the circumference of the bigger circle, or the outer circle?
It will be 20 pi.
Yes, exactly. Then subtract them, it's gonna be 4 pi. So the outer circle, okay, will cover or will travel 4 pi more than the width on the inner circle.
Okay.
You get the
Mister,
idea?
can you wait a second? Mister, I will leave the meeting and I'll enter again, okay?
Okay, go on.
Quickly, okay?
Okay. Ahmed?
Hello, Mister.
Yes.
Let's complete.
Okay, let's complete. Let's go. So Ahmed, the question in number 28, it's the same question, but here he said the diameter of the outer circle is 70 feet. Okay? And he needs us, he asked us here to find the same problem but with diameter 70. So the circumference of the outer one gonna be 70 pi.
Yes.
And subtracted minus, 16 pi, and find answer gonna
Mister,
be 54 pi. Yes, Ahmed.
where is it? 16 دي فين جبنا منين؟
The previous problem, Ahmed, we're talking about this problem, the same problem.
Okay.
Okay, but
Okay.
he changed it instead of the outer one, instead of 10.
He talked about.
Yes,
But he
instead
changed only the outer edge.
the same one, the outer one, he changed it from 10 feet to 70 feet, and you will continue using the same data.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go to another one. Go to next page, I think, Ahmed, and go to number 30.
Let's find the length of each arc in mid. Okay. It will be 45 over 360 multiply circumference اللي هو 20
Let's take
28
step by
pi.
step. Okay, let's
صح؟
take step by step. Wait a minute. He's asking us here about the red arc. So here, this is the red arc. Now it's black. Okay?
Yes.
So it's gonna be, Ahmed, 45 over
360
360 multiply
28 pi.
28 pi. Great. Leave by, Ahmed. Don't substitute instead of it, just leave it by, and multiply 45 over 360 times 28 and write down.
Yes.
Okay, good idea?
Okay, yes.
Great. Okay, here. So the problem here, Ahmed, just find that the angle didn't complete the same way. And number 31, I need to find this angle. Can you tell me?
180 minus 60.
Great. It's gonna be 120, and you will continue the same way.
Yes.
Okay. Here, he's talking about the red one, so it's a 3/4.
360 minus 90.
Ahmed, you can find it directly. You know how?
How?
It's a 3/4 of the circle. So 3/4 directly multiplied by the circumference. You don't need to do that. Okay?
Okay.
Ahmed, if you divided 270 by 360, it's gonna be 3/4. And it's obvious here, it's 3/4. And the other arc is quarter.
Hmm.
You got the idea?
Yes.
So here, for example, in number 34, I don't need to divide 180 by 360. It's obvious. It's half of the circumference.
Hmm.
Now you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so some problems you can find it directly, like if it's half the circle, quarter the circle, 3/4 of the circle. You don't need to divide the angle by the 360. Okay,
Okay.
Ahmed? Great.
Okay.
Move to the next page. I need you to go to, I think, the third page, number 47.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Ahmed. Now, listen to me. The question here, find the value of each variable. I need to find the value of C. Help me here.
Hmm.
The measure of
Will it
this
be
angle is 4C minus 10, and the small angle here is C. How can I solve it?
will be 4C minus 10 plus C equal 4C 5C minus 10 equal 180.
Excellent. 5C minus 10 equals 180.
80.
So
Remove
5C,
the 10 to other side will be 190. 90. Divide by 5 divided by 5.
So it's gonna be
38.
30 what?
8.
Or 36? No,
38.
38, yes. Okay. Go to number
He
48.
only wants the C.
Yes, he said
Okay.
he wanna find the
By the
variable.
value.
Yes.
Okay.
If he asked you about the angle, put C equals 38 and multiply 4 by 38 minus 10. Okay?
Okay.
Great. Number 48. Now, I need to find the value of x.
Um,
Hmm.
3x plus 20 plus x plus 40 plus 2x plus 60 equal 360.
Exactly. So how many x's here? 6x plus
Yes.
120 equals
360.
360. Great. So send 120 to the other side. So 6x equal 240.
40.
So divide by 6,
Divide by 6.
x equals
40.
40. That's it. Very good.
Mm.
Any problems?
No.
Okay. So that's it, Ahmed. These are the important points in our lesson. If you have any questions.
Mr. في لسه مش فاهم.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Huh?
Firstly, go to page 656.
Okay.
Okay. Number 58. Can you see it?
Yes.
Given circle P, can you see circle P?
Yes.
I have two parallel lines, AP, AB, and
PC.
PC. Okay, prove that measure arc BC, BC, this one, equals measure arc CD. How can you solve it?
Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. Let me take a snapshot. You think about it, and I'm gonna Take a snapshot from it.
It's alternate,
Tell me how. Prove it.
corresponding.
Anything?
Why is the measure angle BC coordinate?
Yeah.
The parallel.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Sure.
Yes.
Give up.
No, wait a second.
Okay, I'm waiting.
دلوقتي يا مستر هم الاثنين في نفس اللاين AD.
AD is a diameter. Yes.
Yes, 180.
What about?
I don't
Yes.
مش هألف، مش عارف حاجة، مش عارف.
Try, Ahmed. Listen to me carefully.
Okay.
Can you see arc BC?
Yes.
BC is opposite to this angle.
Yes.
Okay. And the other arc, CD, okay, is opposite to this angle.
CPD.
Yes. So to prove that these two arcs are equal in measure, you need to prove that these two angles are equal. Can you do that?
This line bisect them?
You need to prove that. Okay. You want me to solve?
Okay.
Okay, listen to me. Ahmed, can you see triangle BPA?
Yes.
Okay, this triangle is isosceles. You know why?
Why?
Because these two sides are two radii.
Yes.
Radius and radius. So, and be careful in circles. You should notice the radii because they're making isosceles triangle. Okay?
Okay.
So, Ahmed, let's say this angle is number 1 and this angle is number 2. And 1 and 2 are equal. Okay?
Yes.
Measure angle 1 equal here, the same angle alternate. So they are the same measure. So
Okay.
measure angle B equal measure BPC. Both of them are alternate. Letter Z.
Yes.
And also measure angle 2 equal this measure CPD. Corresponding, exactly. And because these two are equal because of the isosceles triangle, so these two will be equal. So the measure of this arc will equal the measure of this. You get the idea?
كنت عارف الأول بس أنا يعني بتأكد منه.
Yes, I know. You're a genius.
Yes.
Huh? You get the idea?
Yes.
By the way, these problems in Egypt, they're in ninth grade. There's a unit for geometry, and these problems are so common there.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about your lesson. You didn't understand?
Wait. Chapter 10, lesson 4. Page 635.
Page what? Wait a minute. Page what?
635.
Perimeter and areas of symmetry.
Yes.
You didn't join this one. Okay. Great. Listen to me.
Listen.
Okay. If I have two triangles here, okay?
Okay.
And these two triangles are similar. Let's say here it's 2 centimeter and here it's 4. This one is 3 and here 6. 4 and here 8. Okay? We studied before, Ahmed, that any two similar polygons, their sides have the same ratio. So what does it mean? If we divide 2 by 4 equals what, Ahmed?
2/4.
Equal half.
Yes.
3/6.
Half.
4/8.
Half.
So the ratio between sides here, side 1 of shape 1 and side of shape 2, is 1/2. Okay?
Yes.
So this one is the ratio between sides. What about the ratio between perimeters? Perimeter 1 and perimeter 2. It will be, Ahmed, the same ratio, 1/2. So the ratio between sides is the same, exactly the same, the ratio between perimeters. Okay? You get the idea?
Yes.
Okay.
والاريا بنعملها multiply 2 ولا power 2؟
No, not multiply 2, squared. The ratio between A1 to A2, it's gonna be 1/4.
Yes.
You get the idea now?
Yes.
So what will be the question? Listen carefully. In any problem, let me erase firstly, then give you a problem. If I told you the ratio between these two triangles, okay, is 1/3. 1/3. Okay? The ratio is 1/3. And the perimeter of the small one is 15 centimeter. And I need to find the perimeter of the second one. Okay?
1/3 equal 15/x.
Exactly. 1/3 equals 15/x. And do cross multiplication. So the other
15
perimeter
multiplied 3/1.
gonna be 44. You get the idea?
Yes.
What if I'm talking about area? If I said
area دي اللي ما فهمتهاش، دي صعبة.
Okay, if I said the area here is, let's say, 6. I need to find the area here. Okay? So, you will not gonna use the ratio 1/3, Ahmed. Because the ratio between areas is different. You're gonna 1/9. You're gonna use the ratio 1/9. So it's gonna be 6/x.
طب احنا ممكن نحلها عادي وبعدها نعمل في الآخر سكوير روت؟
Again?
ممكن نحلها عادي كده، نكتب 1/3 equal 6/x وبعدين نعمل سكوير روت.
Square root or power 2?
Power 2.
The same.
Yes.
So here, for example, if the ratio is 2/3, here it's gonna be 4/9. Is it so hard to square it?
What?
Is it so hard to make?
No.
So it's easy. So just I need you. The main rule here: the ratio between perimeters are the same ratio between sides. But the ratio between areas is the square of ratios of sides. But listen carefully: the two polygons must be what?
Similar.
That's it. That's your lesson.
طب لو ما طلعوش similar نعمل ايه؟ نكتب نص similar polygons.
So he will give you a problem without enough data?
Yes.
Yes? How come?
يعني مثلا tricking.
No, Ahmed. He should give you the whole data. Complete data. Okay. You need anything else?
No, thank you, mister. Thank you so much.
Okay. Have a good time.
خلصنا كده؟ أطلع
Yeah.
من الميتنج؟ أوكي.
اطلع من